Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 7th Subject English.
Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to study the 8th chapter, use of some model auxiliaries. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that all of you take your English grammar text for the class. Now you have to take the page number 40. Use of some model auxiliaries. Use of ought to, used to, dare, need, must and have to. Ought to is used to indicate duty or moral obligation. Ought is always followed by to. You ought to respect your elders. We ought to love our neighbors. Used to indicate some frequent practice in the past, used as helping verb is always followed by to. He used to live in this house. She used to go for morning walk daily. Dare as a helping verb is used only in negative and interrogative sentence. Dare is not followed by to when it used as a helping verb. He dare not go there. She dare not take such foolish step. The third person singular of a dare is always dare and not dares. It needs as helping. Needs is a help as a helping verb is used to negative and interrogative sentence. And needs is always always need is always followed by to when it is used a helping verb. Example is need she come tomorrow. No, she needn't. And here is a third person singular of need is always need and not needs. Must and have to denote positive commands or obligations. Need not and is are plus not to are prohibitions of negative commands. And here are they given two boxes, that is positive and negative. One is positive and other is negative. He must do it. He has to do it. But in the negative sentence, he need not do it. He is not to do it. You must go now. You have to go now. In the negative, you need not go now. You are not to go now. The negative of must is mustn't. The positive of must is needn't. The past form of the must have to is had to. The past form of the must not are and am is are plus not to is was or were plus not to. The past form of needn't is didn't need to. Look at this following sentence, present or future that passed. We must light a fire. In the past, we had to light a fire. She need not stay here. In the past, she did not need to stay here. Now take the page number 42. Always remember the following tables. There is a present and a future tense, and the past, then obligations and prohibitions, and no obligations. You have to read this one. And after this, test yourself. You have to test yourself this one. And these all are the exercises you have to do yourself. This is a homework. In the next page, there is also the page number 44 also homework you have to do yourself with the help of answer key. Thank you, children.